Okay. So first we will say about Mahesh Dattani. So he was born at 7 August 1958. He was an Indian director, actor, playwright, and writer. He wrote such a play as a Final Solution, Dance Like a Man, Bravely Fought the Queen, On a Muddy Night in Mumbai, Tara 30 Days in September, and the Big Fat City. He is the first playwright in English to be awarded the Sahitya Academy Award. Now we will see the final solution. It is a play. In this, we have there are three acts. So, the final solution and analytical study. Mahesh Dattani write about about a society and surrounding in which he lives. He hold a mirror to make a reality visible to the audience. The main character Daksha, also known as a Hardika, in the play, fuses past and present. The theme of communal tension is given historical depth through flashback picture. Hardika, at the age of 15 in 1948, and her experience in the aftermath of of partition return to her memory at different point of the play. The play explored the theme of communalism. Final Solution was written and performed in 1993, a period of high tension and violence in urban India. Uh, Dattani addressed the contemporary social issue of religious communalism to advocate communal harmony. He tries to convey that there are no solution to this problem except for that of expectance and empathy for each other. Now we will say about a post-feminist analysis of female character in Mahesh Dattani's Final Solution. In Final Solution, Dattani represent the female character like Hardika, Smita, and Aruna. They makes realization that women are not a shadow of a male. Today, woman is making her space. She has better understanding of realization of identity, both inside and outside the family. A woman of re- of liberal ideology views the situation and individual and construct the image of life beyond the specific ideology of religious and community based prejudice. She retained the power to change the conventional thinking and to make better realization of her hidden potential. She wanted to take decision for herself, and if it is a right, she can protest against those agencies who are responsible for her sublimation. The post-feminist interrogation of the female identity and female role aim at the deconstruction of the constructed patriarchal structure. It has provided a wider canvas to construct the voice of women in family, society, professional life, and personal relationship. In post-feminist phrase of feminism, female identity and female consciousness to assert their voice have been reflected in the diverse way. Her individual strength help her to express her potential in social, patriarchal, and personal space. According to Mahesh Dattani, a woman has the equal sensibility and better realization of feelings. The idea of anger justifies that Dattani was not motivated to make the final solution a political or an historical play. In Daksha's reflection and recollection of diaries, Dattani exposed inner world of individual encountering tension and conflict of personal relationship. She recollected the memories of her husband, Hari, and the friend Zareen. She also feels nostalgic for the melody song of Nur Jahan. In Final Solution, Hardika flows of consciousness. Smita appear with the rumors of bombing the Muslim hostel where her Muslim friend Tasneem live. Here we can see the important line of Act 3 from page number 53. It stripped me, yes, maybe I am prejudiced because I do not belong. But not belonging makes things so clear. I can see so clear how wrong you are. You accused me running away from my religion. Maybe I am embarrassed, Mummy. Through this observation of Smita Dattani present how the communal prejudices are constructed and how these lead to anger and hostility. Aruna, the mother, and Smita, the daughter. Smita tripped that out of personal insecurity. Javed left his home. Women like Hardika, Smita, and Aruna, even in their feminine grace and silence, can better ret, retail, retaliate to their oppressors. It shows a woman can think beyond their physical conscious on the matter like communal violence. Aruna and Hardika are no longer interested in their sympathies. Smita too subsequently develops suspicious uh, and and resentment for Javed and Bobby. The anger of these three women is example of independent thinking. Harika realized her guilt, and it suggests that Harika's animosity for the community of Muslim was self-conceived idea, and therefore the modification are likely to be introduced. In the character of Smita, Hardika, and Aruna, Dattani admit that women have great conscious and deeper realization of communal and religious identity. So here we can see some of the point like women are not a shadow of male. They have their own individual identity. Women can think beyond their physical conscious on the matter like communal. Even she has the better realization than male in every aspect of life. They retain their awareness in society. Now they are very much aware about their position, their desire, and their dream. Women have the quest for improvement of social status. Women is ready to accept the challenge of intercommunity. Sumita, who is a young girl, represent the dynamic of new generation. Anger of the woman in the play is the representation of the independent thinking. So now I have taken one example of the popular show Anupama. From there, we can see that uh, we can get to know about a woman ambition, and from there we can see that physical we can learn about a physical and mental health issue, and we can see that at the starting she was a housewife, and after and we know that she is not able to that she is not educated more because she has married earlier, and then we know that she become a cooking teacher in the school, and then she started giving online lectures in uh, online lecture, and then she has uh, one academy. From there she is learning a student, and we can see that she is also learning that how to drive a car, and when problem comes to his family, then she stands ahead, and she face all the problem. And we can see in the last picture that even she is not much educated, then also she is getting an opportunity of to travel on aeroplane, and she is going to Mumbai for a meeting. And we can see the woman empowerment through a baby step in this show. And we can see that nowadays that family are thinking that boys should go in the sport, and girls should join the dance classes. And uh, we can see that in IT section there are few ladies who is joining in that section. And we can see in Swiggy and Zomato that most of the time people are uh, people are giving preference to the to the men for delivery. And in the job attendant of a petrol station, we can see that nowadays women is also getting a chance, and this is the first time when girls is working at at this area. Okay, these are the references. Thank you.
Okay, so questions to Bhavyang. Yeah, stop presenting and now the questions to him.
Oh, yeah. For which work Mahesh Dattani had got an award?
Mahesh Dattani got an award from Dance Like a Man and The Final Solution. By that, he got a Sahitya Academy Award.
Hello, Bhavyang.